What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're right in the HRC with High Road Comics, and today I am playing catch up. I don't remember the last time I uploaded a video, so guess what? I've had all these packages that have just been piling up. Some of them I just got right now, maybe like two or three that have just been like sitting here at my desk, and it's time to clean up. Um, I haven't been going to any comic shops with all this COVID stuff that's going on, but I have been ordering and I'm playing catch up. And yeah, the last time that I actually went somewhere to buy a comic was at Frank and Sons in Orange County, and I got the first edition or first print of the Kylo Ren series. Uh, I don't know where the other three are, but yeah, maybe they're in here. I don't know. So let's go ahead and just start unboxing stuff. Shoot. Oh, here it is. I don't have scissors. I just have this little pick thing. I'll do this one later. This one just came in. All right. Shoot. It's a fucking kid outside playing a kazoo. Yeah. All right. Fucking scotch tape. So yeah, this might be a little lengthy video. I don't know if I'm gonna speed it up or anything like that. Just wanted to catch you up. Everything's good. I do plan on doing some more regular content. Because I'm getting kind of bored. So let me know in the comment section below how you been. Yeah. I don't want to bend the comics. All right. You know, when I mail stuff off, I just stick it in there. It's already like protected. I'm actually curious as to what these are. What's in the box is... All right. Ooh, perfect. So I got a blank Venom. I just sent off a commission to Larry Welch since there is no San Diego Comic-Con this year, and he's drawing me an awesome custom Thor, blank Thor. But I have this one that I'll probably send him next year. He's done two so far. He's working on a third one. Every year I get him to do commission. Oh, I actually have two of them. So that must have been an eBay. All right. Oh man. So I've been Damn. Okay, so my SD card, like, it was full, and then when I restarted, I was on a time warp video. I don't know if I'll incorporate that, but just in case you missed it, it was a Venom 25. I forget which print it was. Maybe the 1 in 10, or who even knows? Who knows? Damn, stupid GoPro. I don't like it. Ooh, forgot I had this one. So maybe I'll get this one commissioned as well. It is Blank Joker. If you know of any good artists that could draw a good Joker, and let me know who your favorite Joker is in the comment section below, and I'll get that in there. So for me, it's either Jack Nicholson or Joaquin Phoenix. Yeah. This one, I know what this is. I ordered this a long time ago, and then I had put it down here on my desk and it just collected dust. It's from Black Cape Comics. Let's see. Yep. Black Cape. I actually went to their shop up in Maine last year. You can see it on my Instagram. It was actually really nice. All right. This one, thank you from the BCC team. Ooh, cool stickers. Spider-Man, Venom, and my favorite, Spider-Gwen. Dope. Are these tattoos? No, they're stickers. And yeah. All right, so this is the Black Cape exclusive of Beyond the Demon Sea #1 by Salinas. And awesome. I got number 66 of 150. And this is by far the coolest variant I think they have. Sorry about that glare. I forgot how to do YouTube. Oh man, this is so dope. I want to order the print of it and put it on my wall. All right. Okay. Let's switch it to my phone. All right. This is still that Things from Another World order with no backboards. All right. So I never actually caught up on these. Scream, Curse of Carnage #3. Here they are. Rise of Kylo Ren #4. Good old Ben Solo. I love it. Thor #4. Venom #24. So I guess I didn't really miss much with COVID and all that. X-Force #8. X-Men #7. These I am gonna read right after this. Redneck #26. New Mutants #8. Avengers. Damn, I gotta put these back on my pull list. And finally, Amazing Spider-Man #40. Wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. Okay. Fuck. I should have, you know what? I should have just had scissors. That's on me. It's too late now. Committed. Better be good. Ooh, it is. Silver Surfer Black #1, and a certificate of authenticity from One Stop Comic Shop with a Donny Cates signature on there. Fucking dope. I guess I thought I had more packages than I did. I really don't. I just bent it. Like, serious. This must be the 1 in 25. Okay, no damage. And I know exactly where this is gonna go. So I think this is a Zafino, and it might be the 1 in 50. It's probably 1 in 25, but I'm gonna put it next to his variant of Black Order, and it has Thanos on it. Cool. And oh, that was Things from Another World. This one is post-COVID, I think. I swear I have, like, I selected bags and boards, but whatever. All right, Venom number 25 again. I love this cover. Detective Comics 1022. I don't remember getting those. Are these the Joker event? No clue. And then Amazing Spider-Man 43. Last one. Who does that? Faithless number 2 by Tula Lote. Yeah. I'm not gonna take it out, although there is a crease from when I tried to open it. Damn. That's all I got. So if you are wondering what I've been doing in my off time, stay tuned for scenes after this.